Good morning, all my beautiful people. It's your boy Marlon O Bennett. I am the original student of the game of internet marketing, guys. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money working from home online and how to get more views to your YouTube video doing product and service reviews. Now, I told you guys I was going to keep you updated on the keyword research I'm doing and the suggested tool that I'm going to recommend you guys actually tap into today. And so I'm back for another video to talk about how to get more views to your YouTube videos. And I want you guys to understand, as a video marketer and as a content creator, if you can get more views to your YouTube videos, guys, it's going to be multi-beneficial to you. Number one, you can get more views to your YouTube videos should you choose to record and upload them. You can sell your products and services by doing reviews on them. Number two, guys, you can build a list from YouTube as well when you do this, and it's a great way to brand yourself, guys. So let's pop over to the very first video, and I want to show you guys just a few of the results that I'm experiencing so far using this keyword research tool. Okay, so I'm in one of several channels that I built on YouTube. As you guys can see, this particular video, let's start from the bottom. Well, not the bottom, but let me show you guys what's happening as I'm starting to do this. Now, we're going to come down as far as November 5th, guys, and the day is the 14th, so that's not many days ago. And you can see I've already got 53 views on this video using this keyword research tool. On the 6th of November, I've got 55 on this video. November 6th, guys, 70 here. October 30th, 78, November 8th, 61, November 11th, 13, November 11th, 46, November 12th, 31. And so what happens, guys, as you continue to use the keyword research or proper keyword research as you're doing your research for your YouTube videos, is it's going to enable you to get organic traffic on the YouTube platform. Now, let me jump over here to another channel for a second and show you guys something. Now, this is another channel that I'm building out. And on this particular channel, I've already got 377 views with just 14 videos, and it's far more than 3 subscribers. I'm not going to pop in there and show you guys that yet. But what I will tell you is that generic, organic, the people who are finding me, guys, I talked about targeting your particular audience when you start doing this. And so whatever your particular target audience is, you want to use the proper keyword research, do that research, and that's a great way to get more views on your YouTube videos. And it's a great way to work from home and make money online doing product reviews. Okay, now guys, let's pop over here to the actual software. Now on this particular video, I got 45 views. This video was actually uploaded on the 6th of November. Now, if I go inside my video manager, right, which I can do by editing my video, I'm going to do that real quick. I can actually go to edit my actual video, right, that I've uploaded to YouTube. By the way, the first thing you want to do is set up your own YouTube channel, guys. I forgot to mention that, but I guess it's sort of obvious. But you can set up a YouTube channel in like 5 minutes, guys. But anyway, now I'm inside of the editor on one of my channels, right? So we're talking about the keyword research that's going to enable you to get more views on your YouTube videos, right? To get more views to your YouTube video. And again, when you start doing this, you can simply do a product review on your particular products and services, and make sure you do the proper research and tag the keywords that you're finding in this tool in the tag area of the YouTube video description area, which you guys will find down here, right? So it's very simple and easy to do this. And ultimately, guys, if you're into branding and if you are not into content creation yet, at some point in time as an affiliate marketer, as an internet marketer, whatever it is you want to do, you're going to want to get into content creation. You don't have to do it a lot, but you want to do it because, again, the other benefit of getting more views to your YouTube videos once you record them and start uploading them is it's a great way to build your particular brand, and you can build a list by doing it, which I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. But right now, guys, let's pop inside of TubeBuddy. You know, you guys remember the interface, right? So we're going to go to the Keyword Explorer. We're going to play around with a few keywords, and then I'm going to show you guys how doing this, you can either sell your products and services by doing product reviews, you can build a list, or you can actually add or brand yourself. You can do all these things simultaneously, guys. So let's pop in what we think are some pretty popular keywords. And one of the things that you want to remember to do when you're doing this, and it doesn't matter whether it's this keyword research software or not, remember to play around with different strains of the actual keyword. You have to think like a consumer. Think of what people are putting in the keyword search bar when they're on YouTube or they're in Google. And if you're thinking like a consumer, then you're going to be able to come up with great keywords and strains of keywords. And there are any variation should I say, of these keywords you can use to help get you even more of the organic search inside of Google and the YouTube algorithm in terms of search terms. Now, I can tell you this, guys, there's a lot of changes going on YouTube, and they're coming into play really, really fast. In fact, one of them was announced and spread across the YouTube platform today. If you guys are going to do this, make sure you pay special attention to those new guidelines that's coming about, because it's going to be very important. I don't know how much it's going to affect my particular channel, but I'm keeping a close look on it. I just thought I'd tell you guys that right now. Okay, guys, so let's talk about keyword research. Let's just pick something right off the top of my head. I'm going to pick something at random. And let's just put how to build your own website. I'm going to try this real quick. Then I'm going to try something else. How to build your own website. Let's explore those keywords. That's fair. But I got something I think is even better than that, guys. Let's say how to build your own blog, because blogs are very popular today. So we're going to put blog in there, see what we get. That's very good. Now, there are a lot of people obviously searching YouTube and Google and countless other platforms who are curious about how to build your own blog. So if you were doing keyword research using the Keyword Explorer inside of TubeBuddy, you would search for those types of keywords. And if you have information that can show somebody or instruct someone through this process in terms of building their own blog, then you would do the proper keyword research. And of course, you can see this is getting a very good overall score in terms of the keyword research that I just did on it. And then you can simply record and upload a video based around these particular keywords. And you don't have to stop there, right? Because you could go on and on and on and on. You could start with how to build your own blog. But then let's say how to build your own blog all on Blogger. That's a great platform, right? So let's see what we get for that. That's a good search, guys, okay? So what I mean by when you start doing this is you continue to use different strains of the keywords, add a word here, add a word there, take away some words, change the phrases around, and you can do another video, or actually your initial video can be how to build your own blog on Blogger. But I think you guys get where I'm coming from when I talk about playing around inside of your keyword research tool, so you can get different strains of keywords. And now for anybody who's looking to build their own blog, particularly on Blogger, you can connect with that particular audience or create an audience built on people who are constantly, diligently looking for ways to do that. So when we talk about making money working from home online, selling your product and service and doing products and service reviews, when you know what your particular target audience is and you already have a product or a service or a business opportunity that you want to market and promote, you simply start doing the proper keyword research. Hold on for 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I actually apologize. I was actually talking to my son, who just actually had a couple of tooth extractions done, and I'm actually on my way to have a root canal done. I just left the DMV. Two places I hate to go more than anything, the DMV and the dentist, guys, and I'm on my way. I was just talking to my son He was mumbling actually because he had a tooth extracted. Anyway, so guys, you get the idea in terms of when you talk about how you can make money working from home online, and how you can do it by simply doing your product review or review on your particular product, or it could be a service. It doesn't really matter what it is. But when you start doing YouTube videos and uploading them to YouTube, and you want to get more views to those YouTube videos as you start to upload them, and doing this type of research, you can sell more of your product and service. You can build a list and you can brand yourself at the same time. So I'm going to go out of here for 1 second, and I'm going to actually go over to my actual video. And I'm going to show you guys how all of these components come together once you've done the proper research, once you know what your product or service is, once you start positioning yourself in front of your particular target audience, what will happen over time. Okay, now this video is going to populate. I'm going to pause it. Now I'm up to 47 views. This particular video was uploaded on 6 November, and I'm up to 47 views, as you guys can see already. And again, this is just something you can do to incorporate as a technique for building your list or branding yourself, or even moving more product and service, because at the end of the day, guys, it's all about exposure, okay? And so I'll continue to come back and do these videos. You guys will continue to see how the actual keyword research tool that I'm using is actually opening the door for me building a bigger audience, right? My target audience, and actually being able to target any audience that I want to. And you guys will get to see the actual results of what it is I'm doing. But I just showed you guys just a little small snippet of what's happening. And over time, I talked in the video though, it's like having real estate all over the world when you can do this type of thing. And the real cool thing is, once you have your YouTube videos up and running, guys, and you've done the proper research, and you put that, you've written up your description area, making sure that you mention those keywords in your description area, and you properly tagged your video in the tag area as well with the corresponding keywords that you use, then over time, you're just going to start to get more views to your YouTube video. And you don't have to do anything else, because now when we talk about doing the review, what you want to do, let me show you guys more, is either, if you want to build your list, have your potential prospects, the people who are finding you, subscribe to your newsletter, as I'm doing right now. And what I encourage you guys to do, if you want to see what it is I actually do on my 7-hour workweek newsletter, and that way, guys, you can build a list, right? Because when people click it, just click over there real quick, they will actually be redirected to your particular website, your actually what I call automated marketing system and sales funnel. And I'm going to do a video on that, because it's very important that you guys understand the difference between just having a website and a sales system or a sales funnel. Very, very significant difference. We're going to talk about that in a video coming up. You guys want to make sure that you're watching that video, because when you understand the power of automated sales systems, you're going to really like that. But anyway, so to build your list, you would simply redirect to your newsletter or wherever you want to redirect to. And so that's the way that you build your list. But while you're doing that, you're also branding yourself, and you're also able to add the links to the bottom of those YouTube videos or throughout the description area that redirects your prospects back to you and get more information on your product or your service. Okay, I hope it's been some value to you guys. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Remember, guys, I'm an affiliate marketer. Any link that you click on in my YouTube video description area on any of my videos will lead you back to either my newsletter or a product that I will make a commission on should you guys decide to join. Keep that in mind, guys. That's just one of those things that YouTube is going to be looking at in terms of disclosure where that's concerned. So you guys want to make sure you're up on that as well. Anyway, that's my time. I appreciate you guys being on the video. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.